Welcome, children! Welcome to English Book Grade 1. Let's learn English together through fun stories, activities, and games. Hello, my dear students! Welcome to our school assembly. Today, we will learn the assembly commands. Are you ready? Let's begin. Children, stand in a line. Very good. Everyone, make a straight line. Stand at ease. Relax your body and keep your hands behind your back. Excellent! Tension. Very good. Now, get ready for the national anthem. Stand respectfully. Well done! Now, get ready for the Rajya Geet. Stand straight. Well done! Now, get ready for the pledge. Now, start the preamble.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India.
Join your hands, let us pray.
लब पे आती है दुआ बनके तब.
Thank you, dear students, for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. See you in the next class.